Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to lock Chime card. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Locking your Chime card is a great way to protect your finances if you suspect any unauthorized activity or if you have misplaced your card. Here's how you can do it. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Go to Settings. Tap on the Settings icon. Account settings. Navigate to the account settings. Disable transactions. Find the allow transaction option and toggle it off. This will lock your card and prevent any transaction. If you need to lock your card permanently and request a replacement, you can do so by tapping on replace card on the same page and selecting the reason for replacement. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.